Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how roofs are defined in the Zebra model. So this is what the roof input sheet looks like. It is one of the simpler input sheets. Just allows us to define firstly the U value, then the shading factor, and finally the gross area of up to 3 roof elements. So here, for the roof element 1, we can input firstly the U value, and then the shading factor, which is a value from 0 to 1. When the shading factor is 0, it means that the roof has an uninterrupted view of sky. When it is 1, it means that the roof has no view of sky at all. So here we're inputting 0.23, which is an average level of value. And then we input the gross area. Here, the gross area is the area of the roof element, including the area of any skylight glazing that might have in it. So, for instance, here we input 100 square meter of gross area, and then in glazing, we can assign a glazing element to roof element 1, and this glazing element has 10 square meter of area. And here, back to the roof sheet, we can see that we have a net area of 90 square meter, which is the gross area minus the glazing area. So this net area, we use it to calculate the heat losses through the roof. Just a reminder for users who are not using the latest 2024 version of Zebra, you may find a different layout in the roof tab where you only get one area value instead of a gross and a net value. This is because the older versions didn't have this function of assigning skylight glazing to a roof element in the glazing tab and calculating net roof area from gross area in the roof tab automatically. To ensure your best experience, we recommend you to download the latest version of Zebra from our website. So, the model then will automatically calculate and summarize the space heating demand and the space cooling demand. So if we input another element, so we can see the fraction here. We have it broken down by the roof element and by the months of a year. This both for space heating demand here and the coolant demand here in the bottom. So, like for the other building fabric input sheets, if we change the complexity level, it doesn't actually increase the number of inputs we have to define, but we will be able to see more data. Here instead, it shows the calculations that have been performed. So this is an overview of how we define roofs in the Zebra model. And in the next tutorial, we're going to look at thermal bridges. Thank you.